there, everyone. Do you want to create your first website without coding skills? WebSim AI makes it incredibly simple. So today, I will show you how to build a professional looking site in just a few steps. So now let's get started. Start by visiting the WebSim AI website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting up a password. Once logged in, you will see options to start building your site. Now, WebSim AI offers a variety of templates tailored for different industries like blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce. Pick one that matches your needs. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Here is where WebSim AI shines. Use the drag and drop builder to edit your website. Add sections like an about page, contact forms, or galleries. WebSim AI's intuitive interface will also guide you in selecting color schemes and fonts that match your brand. Now, once you're happy with your site, connect a custom domain. You can either purchase one through WebSim AI or use an existing one. Finally, hit the publish button to make your site live. And that is how you create a website with WebSim AI. Simple, right? Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.